Thom. I just got off of the Blizzard Quattro 8.4 Ti. This is another 5 out of 5 star ski from Blizzard. The Quattro series is absolutely killing it this year. What this ski is going to give you is a really stable on-trail performer. Tons of edge hold, tons of power, really grips on any type of snowpack. But it's a very manageable ski too. It's not going to wear you out. It's going to be something you can ski all day long. So you're really strong, athletic, intermediate, all the way up through an expert level skier is going to be able to jump on this and rip all day long. Again, a 5 out of 5 star ski for me.